Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's dive straight in because there's a critical issue many of you might not even be aware of. Grab a seat. Your fuel bills have been skyrocketing, and it's not just because gas prices are climbing higher and higher. No, it's more sinister than that. Every year, drivers pump billions into the tanks, only to unknowingly lose out on a staggering amount, over $2 billion. You heard that right. That's money down the drain. And today, we're lifting the lid on 15 fuel-saving secrets that gas stations hope you never discover, especially that fifth one, which could save you $1,000 or more per year. So why is this happening? Well, let's break it down and expose how you can stop these losses. The first secret? It's all about how you fill up at the pump. Most people think squeezing that handle all the way down is the fastest route to get back on the road. But here's the kicker. It's actually draining your wallet. When you pump gas at maximum speed, it causes turbulence in the nozzle, turning the fuel into vapor pockets that you end up paying for but never make it into your tank. Yeah, you're literally paying for thin air. In fact, studies show this can reduce the fuel delivered by between 2 and 6%. Just think about that. So here's the fix. Slow it down when you're at the pump. Use a gentler flow to keep the fuel cooler and denser. This means fewer vapor pockets and more accurate measurements at the meter. Every penny counts, right? Let's get to the second shocking revelation, the premium fuel trap. Many folks believe premium gas is the best for their vehicles, thinking they're giving their engines a boost. Well, spoiler alert, for most cars, it's a complete waste. The truth is, if your vehicle doesn't require it, you're literally burning cash instead of fuel. In fact, the American Automobile Association reports nearly 16.5 million drivers are pouring premium into cars that simply don't need it, resulting in over $2 billion wasted annually. Remember, octane doesn't equate to performance. It measures resistance to knocking. Quite misleading, huh? Moving on to our third secret. Watch out when you fill up at the station. Have you ever pulled into a gas station only to find a delivery truck parked by the pumps? Here's a pro tip. Run away. When tanks are being filled, it stirs up all the dirt, rust, and debris settled at the bottom. If you fill up during that time, you're getting contaminated fuel. Your engine doesn't want that. This dirty mix can lead to a drop in fuel economy because it makes your engine burn fuel inefficiently. Now, let me hit you with another false myth, filling up during the cooler morning hours. This common advice sounds logical. Gas is denser when it's cooler, but it's largely a myth. Modern underground tanks maintain a steady temperature, meaning you won't get a better deal by filling up at dawn versus dusk. If anything, the seasonal fuel blends make a bigger difference, with winter fuels being less energy dense than summer fuels. This has a tangible impact on performance and mileage. Next up, secret number 5, the pump calibration trap. It might surprise you just how much gas pumps can be off. It's estimated that 6 to 10% of pumps can legally operate while under-dispensing fuel. If you're lucky, you might get the amount you pay for, but most often you won't. Do you believe you're always getting a full gallon? Think again. All right, let's switch gears and talk about tire pressure. Underinflated tires can sap your fuel efficiency by up to 3%. Here's the real kicker. Only 19% of drivers check tire pressure regularly. Keeping those tires at the recommended levels can have a huge impact on your MPG, so check them often. And before we wrap up, we have one final bombshell secret. A clogged air filter might seem minor, but it can drag down your fuel economy by as much as 10%. If you haven't checked yours in a while, you might just be burning more fuel than necessary. Replacing it takes less than a minute. And that's our deep dive into the fuel-saving secrets. By implementing some of these strategies, you'll be on your way to seriously saving on fuel costs. Not only that, but you'll also extend the life of your vehicle by taking better care of it. Have you found these tips helpful? Then be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Let's keep those wallets healthy as we ride into the horizon together.